has 4 valence electrons. Carbon can bond with itself, can produce numerous organic compounds. One of these is hydrocarbon, which is combined hydrogen and carbon. Each hydrogen molecules consist of carbon backbone with hydrogen. That hydrogen is attached to that backbone. A single bond carbon atoms can bond into 4 hydrogen atoms. There are different types of hydrocarbon, which is alkene, alkene, and alkyne. Alkene is saturated because it has carbon that bonded to carbon that has a single bond. Alkene has 1 carbon that has 2 bonds. This is unsaturated. Next is alkenes that has a triple bond. These two, alkene and alkynes, is unsaturated, and alkene is saturated. First, let's start with alkene. Alkene is the simplest hydrocarbon bond that has a 1 single bond. Example, 1 carbon that can bond a single bond to 4 hydrogen. To have a balance. As earlier what I said, carbon can bond to a carbon that has a single bond, carbon to carbon. We all know that carbon has 4 valence electrons. That's why we have to combine them to hydrogen to become stable. So this is the example. How about we have 3 carbon? How many hydrogen in the first carbon do we have to attach? Yes, it's 3. And the second carbon is 2. Last carbon. How many hydrogen do we have to attach in this? Yes, it's 3. Is this stable now? Yes, it is stable now. So this structure is what we call expanded structure formula. So if we want to shorten this structure expanded formula, we have a condensed structure formula. Next is like this. 1 carbon and next is so this is called a condensed structure formula. So next, molecular formula. So this is how we write molecular formula. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogen. Next is 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrogen. So this is a molecular formula, expanded formula, condensed formula, and last molecular formula. So now, how are we going to name a hydrocarbon? According to International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, or IUPAC, generally the name should end with the last syllable of the family or group where it belongs. Example, alkene, which is A and E. Naming carbons, we must also consider the number of carbons. If we have 1 carbon, the prefix of that is met. And if we have 2 carbons, the prefix is F. And if if we have 3, is prop. If we have 4, is mod. If we have 5, is pen. And if we have 6, is hex. And 7, hep. 8 is op. 9 is non. And 10 and dead. Now here in example. CH4. So, how many carbon is in here? So, it has a 1 carbon. So, according to the prefix, 1 carbon is meth. So, we are going to add A, and E according to IUPAC. A and E. So, this is called methane. So, now we are done with the alkanes. Next, let's discuss there is Mr. Angelo Miravite to tackle about alkene and alkynes.
So now we are here in alkene. Alkene contains with double bond between 2 carbon. So for example, we have 2 carbon that contains with double bond. To become stable, this 2 carbon, we need 2 hydrogen to each carbon. So now, it is stable. Since they are already sharing 2 electrons, we are going to name this structure. By naming this, we need to know how many carbons we have in here. So we have 1, 2. So the prefix of it is N. Then, according to AUPAC, the family name of it is ENE since we have double bond, that ENE. So now, this is what we call ethene. So now, we have another example. By naming this, we need first to find the longest chain. So this is going to be the longest chain. Then, after that, we are going to number left to right and right to left. So start numbering here in left to right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then, into right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, where is the lowest or least number of the longest chain? Yes, it is from right to left. So we're going to use the right to left. Okay, now we have the double bond is located to 1 and 2. So that is the least number. So by renaming that, since the double bond is located at 1, we are going to get to write 1. Then don't forget the slash because this slash is indicated as number to letter. So now we are going to count how many carbons do we have in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the prefix of 4 carbons? We have bute. Yes, that's correct. It's bute. Then, what is the family name of this? Since we are in alkene, we are going to use this ENE. So this is what we call butene because it has a double bond. Let's go on to the alkyne. Alkyne contains triple bond. We have here 2 carbons that contains triple bond. To become stable, we are going to attach 2 hydrogen, one hydrogen to each carbon to become stable. Now, this is already stable. Next, we are going to write the name of this condense. The name of this is Why it is F? Because it has 2 carbon. Then we are going to write this as a family name here because we are in triple bond. So the name of this is ethyne. So now we have another example in alkyne. We have here a condensed structure. We are going to name this structure. By naming the triple bond, we are first going to find where the triple bond is. Then we are going to count how many carbons do we have in here so that we can find the prefix of it. So first, let's count how many carbons we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 carbons. So what is the prefix of it? The prefix of 7 carbons is heptane. Heptane siya. Heptane. Since we are in triple bond or alkene, we are going to use this Y and A, the family name of alkyne. So this will become heptane. So now we are going to write the heptane here. So we're going to start numbering in left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, in left to right, the triple bond is not this number. So let's try that. Right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, the nearest number is 1 and 3. So let's use the left to right. So we have the location of triple bond is in number 2. So we are going to write the number 2 in here. So the name of this condensed structure is 2/heptane. Alright, so all the discussion. We have the hydrocarbons, which is alkane, alkyl, and alkyne. In alkane, we have single bond. And in alkene, we have double bond. Then, in alkyne, we have triple bond. And in alkyne, this is saturated. And alkene and alkyne, this is unsaturated. And that would be all